Hey guys, welcome back to another OBD Mastery video. Now, today we're going to be talking about a P0014 code. What exactly is it? What are the symptoms and causes of this code, as well as culprits and troubleshooting this code? So, without further ado, let's get in and talk about what exactly a P0014 code is. Now, pretty much just indicates that there is an issue with your exhaust camshaft timing on bank 1. Now, it signals that the time is over advanced beyond the ECM's command. This code helps diagnose timing related problems in modern vehicles. Role of the engine control module. Now, the ECM monitors engine parameters to optimize performance and emissions. It adjusts the camshaft timing based on various engine conditions. When it detects discrepancies, it triggers the P0014 code for troubleshooting. Now, the causes of this code, all right, incorrect camshaft timing. So misalignment of the camshaft timing can lead to this code. A faulty VVT solenoid as well can disrupt the camshaft's timing. You can have clogged oil lines, so obstructions in the oil lines can prevent proper oil flow to the VVT system, kind of just pretty much draining it from actual oil, or starving it. Low engine oil as well, so insufficient engine oils can really affect the VVT solenoid as well. Low oil pressure can hinder the functionality, so be sure that you have oil in there. Make sure that you're getting enough oil pressure. Damaged wiring, so frayed wiring or poor signals to the camshaft timing system as well. Now, what are the symptoms? So you'll get a check engine light, which is the most common symptom. All right, it's going to be on your cluster. You're going to see it. Performance issues, you're going to notice reduced power, rough acceleration, and much more. You can have engine stalling, so your engine may stall unexpectedly, leading to safety concerns and further driving difficulties. Now, troubleshooting this is just checking the engine oil, make sure that it is not low or dirty. Also inspecting the VVT solenoid, so ensure that it is for proper operation. If it's faulty, you may need to replace it to resolve the timing issue that you're having with the misalignment of the camshaft position. And examining wiring or connections. So any poor connections, a lot of people kind of disregard the fact that electrical does really take a play in a vehicle. So check those connections. All right, use a multimeter and troubleshoot those. OBD2 scanner is a pretty common one. All right, you can pick one up in an auto parts store. It's pretty easy to get. You can put a deposit down and get a rented one. So other culprits we've already went through, but poor electrical connections, engine oil contamination, and timing chain or belt issues. Now, make sure that you check all of those other ones. All right. Make sure that you check that there is no faults with these three. What exactly is the cost? So if you're going to tackle this job yourself, $150 to $300, and labor costs $100 to $200. Total average cost $250 to $500, and DIY costs up savings up to $200. So you could kind of save or whatever depending on your location as well. These aren't guaranteed prices, but these are to help you out. Now, if you want to fix it yourself, you can expect a few hours to full day, depending on your experience, how complex the issue is, if it's removing other stuff, and much more. Beginners may have a hard time, so if you're having trouble, I would highly recommend that you contact a much more experienced mechanic. But anyways, thank you guys for watching today's video on P0014 code, the causes, symptoms, solutions, and troubleshooting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like. Comment down below if you found this video helpful and if it did help you. Check out our OBD Mastery catalog, where we have videos regarding other P0 codes, OBD2 DTC codes. So till then, we'll see you all for another OBD Mastery video.